In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group on X. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a group chat and start talking with multiple people at once. This is really useful if you want to coordinate with friends, your team, or a community all in one place, without having to send the same message over and over. First, open your browser or the X app and go to your X Home dashboard. This is the main screen you land on when you log in, where you see your timeline, the navigation menu on the left, and your profile options. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use for this group. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Chat. It should be in the main navigation column. Go ahead and click on Chat. This will open your messages area where you can see all your existing conversations, both one-on-one and group chats. Once you're in the chat section, look for the button that says New Chat. It's usually located near the top of the messages panel. Click on New Chat to start setting up a brand new conversation. This is the starting point for creating either a direct message or a group. After clicking New Chat, you'll see an option that says Create a Group. Select that option. This tells X that you want to start a group chat rather than just messaging a single person. You should now see a screen where you can begin adding people to your new group. Next, type in the accounts you'd like to add. One important detail here: you can only add people who follow you. As you start typing a name or handle, X will show suggestions from your followers list. Click on each person you want to include in the group. Take a moment to make sure you've selected everyone you need, since they'll all get access to the shared conversation. Once you've added your chosen accounts, click on Next to continue. From here, X will guide you through the final, straightforward steps, like confirming the group and getting to the chat window. After that, your group is ready, and you can start sending messages, sharing links, and keeping everyone on the same page in one convenient conversation.